Hello everyone. I just recently got this Yokomo bag, and I figured it'd be a great opportunity to show what I personally bring to the track, as well as help organize this and kind of downsize a bit. Now, this thing is great. I can carry a lot of stuff, but one of the drawbacks is I can only bring one car, whereas this, I can bring two cars. Just the way I have it organized, that's why. I probably could do two if, one down here, one up here, but that's kind of the main thing. But yeah, figured it'd be a great way for me to organize and show you guys probably what I think is necessary to bring to the track versus what you don't really need. So let's get into it. Before the video starts, I would like to mention if you like this bag, go hit up Casa Drift, Beto, the owner. He'll get one sent out to you, even if you're out of state. Just hit him up on Facebook. I'll put a link in the description. He'll get an order ready for you and everything, and he'll get it sent right to you. Once he gets the website up, I'm sure it'll be easier through the website. But as for now, just hit him up through Facebook and he'll work with you. I know he sent out Yokomo products, Rev D products, Shibata products, a bunch of other stuff. I know he sent out a couple of MD chassis to people. I know he sent out Bingo Wasp products to people. So yeah, if you guys are interested in any of that stuff, Casa Drift on Facebook, and Beto will help you out and get you locked in with whatever you need. Now, this bag does have 4 drawers. These two I'm going to use for cars, and these two I'm going to use for stuff, as well as has this compartment up here and the side compartment. So we'll try to make use of all the space. But yeah, so we'll start off with stuff in here. As you can see, I got kind of a lot of stuff somewhat scattered around. But a lot of it I do kind of use, and some of it I don't really use at all. So I'm going to try to organize this top section first, and then I'll go ahead and do all this down here. And then in this box, usually the car just stays in here, so there's nothing really in there. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and go through this part first. So for starters, I think tools are important, so I'm going to grab my tools, which are mainly in there. So obviously that's got to go in the box. Use this for alignments, so put that in there. Let's see, it's kind of longer, so this might have to sit on top at an angle. Tire tool, and this is a rotor changing tool. I don't really use this that often, so this might stay in here actually. Let's see what else. Weights, just some extra stuff. Like yeah, see we got a lot of random stuff in here that. Like this, I kind of use everything in here somewhat often, so this can kind of go in there. See if I can kind of, we'll get that right in the corner. If I need to do my shocks, get that right there. Let's see here, scissors are important. And this stuff I kind of use somewhat often. Don't really use the knife that often, but I do use this. And I'm going to go ahead and kind of make this look a little bit nicer. As I started going, I was just looking batteries and whatnot. I decided I'm going to use these two for things I use more often rather than just kind of sorting them by what they are. So a lot of these I do use, but like not crazy often. But these I use more. So I'm going to put tools and like spacers and nuts and bolts and all that. I'm going to put the weight in here, put this in there, and these are going to go in this upper compartment. All right, after a lot of back and forth on what should go where, I finally kind of figured out how I kind of wanted to sort it, so I'll go ahead and go over that with you guys right now. So in this bag, you got my battery bag, batteries in here, controller, tire changer, and just some spare consumables and weights, smaller tools and whatnot. Simple stuff that's easy to move and whatnot. So put that kind of back. In this part, I have my camera stuff. So my Insta360's in there, 360 pole, and whatnot. Flip this flap down. These are the tools that I'm going to carry up here. And then when this is closed, my pit mat will sit right here. And I'll have this kind of strapped over like that. So that works out and opening this drawer on the chargers and stuff. Got some, able to fit some tape in there, tools, pretty nice. And then obviously we got the Supra in here, and we have the Camry right in there. Everything fitting pretty nice. Kind of condensed it down, figured out what I didn't need, what I do need, and I can use this kind of more now as like bulk storage. So that's pretty neat. And it should be easier to transport, all in all. So that'll be nice too. Easier to carry 2 cars. So yeah, when I do travel, I try to limit myself to 3. So 1, 2, and then maybe the camera car or my girlfriend's car, or if I'm working in somebody else's car, their car. So, but yeah, this is kind of it. Shorter video, but yeah, kind of went through everything and realized what I did and didn't need, condensed it down, and yeah. So hopefully this kind of gave you some insight on, maybe what you want to do and how you want to organize it or whatnot. But if you guys have any questions, let me know, and I hope you have a great day.